Hello everyone, today we are going to create an account on fitteia. The first thing we need to go on the fitteia website. It is easy. If you type fitteia in Google or any research engine, you will quickly find the website. Once you are on the website, click on register. This will take you on this page, and there are two links. One is fitteia-a and other is fitteia-t. These two servers are there are to protect your account and your project. So if one server has a problem, your work is safe and you can choose other one. It does not matter, your account will be copies from one server to another server. So after that, when you click on the next, it will offer you enter your email ID and click on sign up. So now we will enter our email ID and click on sign up. When we click the sign up, there is a page which contain some numbers. So copy that number and paste, and then click the email password. So now you will see this form. So first you will enter your name and old password, and enter the password that was sent to your email ID. Go to your email box, and you will see a message from fitteia with the password need. So you will copy that password and paste in there, and then you will enter a new password and repeat your confirm new password, and then click on the finish. Once you have a finish, you can click login. So we will finish, and yeah, it's login, and you will enter in the main page of fitteia, which contain two folder, tutorial NMR and tutorial 1. These are system folder you cannot delete, but these are useful because they can help you start your project. If you want to change your password, you can repeat the same step. If someone thing is wrong, you can always restart the process until you complete it. So go ahead and create your account, and I will see you in next video.